Well, if you're going to be out near the lakeshore today, you are urged to use extreme caution. We've been telling you about this. In fact, it's probably best you don't get in the water, as the National Weather Service warns of dangerous beach conditions.
And 24 Hour News 8's Mark Thompson is live in Grand Haven with more on what you need to know. Good morning, Mark.
Good morning, Brett. Breezy and cool. I can tell you that is what it feels like out here along the beaches in Grand Haven. If I had hair, it would definitely be blowing in the wind this morning, but I can tell you one thing that will be blowing in the wind. That is those red flags, because there are some dangerous conditions here along the lakeshore. Matter of fact, take a look behind me. You can see a lot of white-capped wave activity here along the beaches in Grand Haven. And the National Weather Service, they put out a warning about these conditions. They say that you can expect high wave action with strong currents, dangerous swimming conditions, especially on the northern sides of the northern piers. They say those will be the most dangerous locations, with waves building to 3 to 7 feet. It's going to be highest near South Haven, which is a little bit south of here, expecting northwest winds of around 15 to 25 miles per hour, showers and thunderstorms likely, and lows in the 60s. And the most dangerous areas, if you look over here, is going to be along the piers. And as Terry was mentioning, if you look at Bill's blog, he really mentions the piers and talks about the dangers of rip currents that can occur along those piers, especially here in Grand Haven, which is rated one of the most dangerous piers along the Lake Michigan beaches. If you are caught in a rip current, you're urged to swim parallel to the shore to try and get to safety here this morning. But he also talks about water spouts. That is also a possibility this morning. Now, they may be cool and interesting to look at, but they are kind of similar to tornadoes, and they usually form when you have some of the cooler weather, especially like we have here this morning, moving out over some of the warmer waters of Lake Michigan. So really be cautious if you're going to be out here towards the beaches here this morning, because there's going to be some dangerous conditions. And if you're going to be out boating as well, really choppy waters out there this morning. So be cautious, stay out of the water, and be safe. Reporting live from Grand Haven this morning, Mark Thompson, 24 Hour News 8.
All right, good information. Thank you, Mark.